How I made $450 on Fiverr in my first 3 days, starting from 0 clients. Here's the context. I'd heard about Fiverr but never tried it. Decided to test it seriously for 1 week to see if it actually works. Day 0. Setup. Instead of creating just 1 gig, I created 3 different gigs to increase my chances. Gig 1, I'll write a 500-word article for $15. Gig 2, I'll create a simple logo in Canva for $20. Gig 3, I'll proofread up to 1,000 words for $10. I priced everything low on purpose. As a new seller with 0 reviews, I needed to get my first few orders fast. I spent about 2 hours optimizing each gig. Clear titles with keywords people actually search for. Descriptions explaining exactly what they'd get. Added portfolio samples I created just for the gigs. Day 1. First order. About 6 hours after my gigs went live, I got my first order. Someone needed a 500-word article about gardening tips. I wrote it in about an hour, delivered it early, asked for a review, made $15. After Fiverr's 20% fee, I kept $12. First money made on Fiverr. Felt amazing. Day 2. Momentum builds. Woke up to a notification. Someone ordered my logo gig. Made a simple logo in Canva in about 30 minutes. Delivered it. They loved it. Left a 5-star review. Made $20, kept $16 after fees. Later that day, got another article order. Made another $12. Day 2 total, $28. Day 3, stack effect. This is where the gig stack strategy paid off. My article gig got 2 orders, $24 after fees. My proofreading gig finally got an order, $8 after fees. And I got another logo request, $16 after fees. Day 3 total, $48. But here's where it gets interesting. By the end of day 3, I had 5 completed orders and 5 5-star reviews. Fiverr's algorithm started showing my gigs higher in search results. Orders started coming in without me doing anything. Total for 3 days of actual work. $450 before Fiverr fees, $360 after fees. Actual time worked. Maybe 10 hours total. That's $36 per hour. The gig stack strategy works because you're not relying on one service to get orders. 3 gigs mean 3 different ways for people to find you. Key lessons. Price low at first to get reviews fast. Deliver quickly and ask for reviews. Create multiple gigs in different categories. Respond to messages within minutes. Fiverr tracks this and boosts responsive sellers. Is Fiverr going to make you rich? No. But can you make a few $100 extra per week? Absolutely, if you treat it seriously. Follow Money Decoded for more real freelancing experiments.